do not come in handy for many people, as they may have apprehensive about the new place, new environment, and a lot can change that comes with it. Same as the scenario in a higher secondary government school in Rewa district of Madhya Pradesh. 11 teachers, the school have faked the medical condition and submitted bogus information on the portal of MP Education Department. And all this only to avoid transfers. Many of them have alleged that they have brain tumor, paralysis, or have undergone kidney transplant, because of which they cannot leave their current place of posting. The government has taken cognizance of the matter and launched a probe. A medical panel comprising of 3 senior doctors has summoned all these 11 teachers, and they've been asked to prove their illness. The government has warned of action if the staffers are found guilty.
ब्रेन ट्यूमर का वाला जो हमारे एजुकेशन का डिपार्टमेंट का पोर्टल है, उस पर सभी जानकारी देती है। उसमें स्पेशल कॉलम होता है जिसमें गंभीर बीमारी, तो उसमें एंट्री दिखा रहा है 11 लोगों का गंभीर बीमारी, जिसमें 9 ब्रेन ट्यूमर्स हैं, एक आपका किडनी ट्रांसप्लांट और एक पैरालिसिस दिखा रहा है। लेकिन गंभीर बीमारी से ग्रसित हमारे यहाँ कोई टीचर नहीं है, जिससे संबंधित हमारे सभी टीचर्स ने लिख के दे दिया है वरिष्ठ कार्यालय।
जब काउंसलिंग शुरू हुई तो ये विषय संज्ञान में आया कि ये गलत जानकारियां दी गई हैं। जो 28 को काउंसलिंग है, उसमें हम लोगों ने मेडिकल बोर्ड 3 अधिक बैठाने का निर्णय लिया है कि जितने भी ऐसे लोग हैं जिन्होंने इस प्रकार का क्लेम किया है, वो मेडिकल बोर्ड के समक्ष उपस्थित होंगे। अब जो भी रेलिवेंट दस्तावेज है, मेडिकल दस्तावेज है, उनके सहित उपस्थित होंगे।
Govind Singh, my colleague, joins me for more. Good afternoon. Clearly, with the details that have come to the light, pretty shocking in nature.
And you know that it's quite a bizarre case came light, in fact, from the district of Madhya Pradesh, Rewa, in fact, from the single higher secondary school, government higher secondary school, where the teachers have shared the information on the portal of Madhya Pradesh Education Department. In fact, that is came fake, in fact, after the inquiry is going on, and also DM has ensured that inquiry will be going on this whole matter, and 3 doctors committee will check that whatever the information about their illness, you know that from single higher secondary school, 11 teachers, in which they have mentioned that 9 have brain tumor and 1 is having problem of paralysis, and other having the problem of kidney, in fact. So these are the 11 teachers who are under the surveillance of inquiry. In fact, they have to present before the panel of the doctors and will have to prove their illness, in fact. So this is absolutely quite a bizarre case, in which, for avoiding the transfer, these teachers mentioned, in fact, the serious illness of fitness, and so this is what case quite buzzing all across Madhya Pradesh, and first time this kind of case came in for, in fact, during counseling of the transfer, in fact, this facts and figures comes out, in which from the single higher secondary school figure comes out, in which 11 teachers mentioned their serious illness on the portal for avoiding the transfer. Now all the matter is in the inquiry going on, and these teachers have to present before the panel of the doctors, comprising 3 numbers, in fact. So DM is just looking after this whole issue, and accordingly the action will be taken against if anybody caught guilty and have mentioned the fake information regarding their fitness and illness, in fact. So this is what we can understand. It's happening there in Madhya Pradesh, in the district of Rewa, where 11 teachers have mentioned this surprising information that from single school, 9 having brain tumor. So that is somewhat unbelievable, and we are waiting for the result, the inquiry, that what all the inquiry result comes out. But everybody understand that how can it be possible that in single higher secondary school 9 teachers are having.
You're absolutely right in terms of the fact that how bizarre these details are, but we're looking to look in what the investigation essentially does state.